Hello, I'm Gian Villamayor from previous ECE, and today I'll be demonstrating how we can create a simple diode circuit using Multisim. So first, we'll be creating a circuit here, and then we can rename our circuit with a simple diode circuit. First, we'll be using three components for our circuit. This can be found in this leftmost part of the simulation tool. And we'll have a voltage source. Then we'll also be using a resistor. And of course, we'll also have our diode. So we can rotate this diode using a rotate function, which can be found here. And then afterwards, we can connect the components by clicking the endpoints of each device and connect this with other points. So here. And we also have to put a ground as our reference. Okay, so there it is. We are now able to construct our simple diode circuit. Next, we'll try to measure the voltages across the resistor and the diode. Okay, so we'll be using a probe and a voltage reference in order to obtain these values. First, we'll be putting a probe and a voltage reference and the resistor device. So here, then voltage reference. Oops. So now we can set this voltage probe to ref 1. So the voltage reference of this probe 1 will be this one. So now we can measure the voltage across the resistor 1. And next we'll try to measure the voltage across the diode, which is the D1. We'll just have to put a probe here. Since its reference will automatically be the ground. So now we can measure the voltage here in the diode device of the circuit. And then now we can simulate our circuit. We can try this interactive function of the circuit so that we can have the graph of voltage and the current over time. So, okay. Now, to get a specific value, we just have to stop or pause the simulation and then find the specific time wherein we have to obtain the value and get its coordinates. And then from here you can see that the blue is the one for diode and the green is the one for the resistor. By the way, you can use the split function so that you can see the schematic diagram and the graph at the same time. Then you can just play it if you have to get a more detailed view of it while simulating the circuit. And so that basically summarizes this short tutorial on how to create a diode circuit using Multisim.